The journey begins in vast sugarcane fields. Each stalk stores natural sweetness inside. Machines harvest mature sugarcane efficiently. Bulk transport ensures continuous production. Freshly cut stalks are prepared for transport. The stalks move toward the processing facility. The factory begins the transformation process. Sugarcane is cleaned before processing. Multiple stages ensure maximum extraction. Stalks are crushed to extract juice. Juice flows out under pressure. Remaining fibers are separated. Extracted juice is collected for processing. Mixing ensures uniform consistency. Impurities are filtered out. Clean juice moves forward. Fermentation continues. The juice is prepared for heating. The juice is heated to begin concentration. Heat causes the liquid to slowly boil. Evaporation removes excess water. The liquid thickens into syrup. The syrup moves to crystallization. Continuous movement maintains consistency. Steam is released during concentration. Next, separation is refined. Controlled motion shapes the crystals. Crystals separate from the syrup. Tiny crystals start to appear. Crystallization begins inside controlled chambers. They grow gradually in size. Raw sugar crystals are collected. Heat removes remaining moisture. Centrifuges separate crystals from liquid. The mixture becomes dense and granular. Crystals are dried to remove moisture. Grains are sorted by size. Uniform crystals ensure quality. The dried sugar moves forward. Now ready for packaging. Machines fill each package precisely. Packages are sealed securely. Products are aligned for distribution. Sorting directs products efficiently. Orders move toward delivery. Boxes are prepared for shipment. sugar is distributed across regions. From raw cane to refined sugar. Subscribe for more factory process videos.